Are your remote job applications getting ignored? You're not alone, because almost 75% of qualified candidates never even reach a human HR. Here's why it's happening and exactly what you can change today to get noticed. 1. There's an overwhelming competition. A single remote job ad can get hundreds and hundreds of applicants in just days. Now, what to do? Stand out in competition. Focus on fewer jobs where you are a very strong fit. Tailor every application to show exactly why you're perfect. Number 2 is ATS/keyword mismatch. If your resume doesn't match the exact keywords and format, an automatic filter may delete your application before a human sees it. Now, how do you fix it? Beat the ATS by using a clear, simple resume format. Mirror keywords from job description. Test with an ATS checker and avoid fancy designs because simple layouts with clean section headers work best. Problem number 3, sending generic application or missing customization. Submitting the same resume and or cover letter for every role kills your chances, because how can you send one generic resume to 50 companies? That's a red flag, man. So, how do you fix this? Customize for each role. Start with the job title. Include one tailored sentence in cover letter. Show your understanding of their remote culture. Study each role and rewrite your first 3 lines to match their keywords. Problem number 4, poor remote readiness demonstration. This is when you lack proof that you can work independently, communicate asynchronously, or use remote tools. How to fix it? Show remote readiness by including remote or productivity tools like Slack, Notion, Zoom. Show time zone availability as well. Add remote project evidence like your portfolio, GitHub, or case study. Problem number 5, mismatching skills, formatting, or follow through. This problem includes typos, wrong formats, and missing documents. These are basic errors that also cause rejections. How to fix this? Read the job post carefully, because missing documents equal to automatic rejection. Fix basic errors and follow instructions. Proofread, double-check attachments, submit before deadline, follow up politely. Now, remember, rejection doesn't always mean you're not good enough. Oftentimes, it's simply strategy and presentation. Use these fixes, make your next application count, and get one step closer to landing your global remote job. You're not unqualified, you're just unseen. Apply these fixes and get noticed fast. Comment ready and I'll send you a free customizable remote job application checklist. Follow for more tips to earn in dollars from anywhere. Thank you and bye-bye.